Hi guys, my name is Richard from MKN. I'm just going to talk you through how to clean the MKN space combi team we have here. Firstly, what we need is a box of WaveClean cartridges. So this is a 2-in-1 cartridge of rinse and detergent. Once we open the box, we have 10 individual cartridges. All we need to do is take off the lid. There's no requirement for any PPE. There's a wax seal, so no requirement for any gloves or goggles. So on the screen, all we need to do is select WaveClean. It's going to ask you to remove any debris from inside the cabinet. So take all the residue out. Once that's been done, press start. It'll automatically do a water pressure test. Once that test has been done, it's going to advise you to insert the cartridge. Click on the tick that will insert the cartridge and the unit's going to clean itself. And that's it.